So let's take a look at the features of an eBay store. First off, the eBay store has a unique URL. This is the name here at the end which the seller supplies. Each store has a banner, it has a logo. The categories here on the left hand side can either be eBay categories or specific categories created for the shop. The seller has the opportunity to create a small description about themselves, and there's links here to business details, which takes the buyer to the seller's profile, and to contact the seller. At the top of the page there is a shop specific search, and the seller can also specify featured listings, but these have not been set up for this shop. On each category page there will be the seller's listings under that category. To manage the shop, the seller can click Manage the Shop in the top right hand corner. From this page you have access to all the features of the shop. If we click Edit Shop in the left hand column, we can edit the different aspects of the shop. At the top we can edit the shop name, which is this name which appears here. Here we have the billboard which appears at the top of the shop, the logo which appears at the left hand side. For best results it should be 300 × 300 pixels. This is the description which appears underneath the billboard. And here you can set up to 4 featured listings. So let's just add some listings here. And if we save that, they will then appear in the shop. Here are the featured items. You can choose how the listings are displayed in your shop, and here we've chosen to have them displayed by best match, but you can also do it by price or the time listed. The categories which are shown in the left hand column can either be eBay categories, or you can set your own eBay shop categories. Setting eBay categories is easier, as these are something which you have to set in order to list something on eBay. eBay shop categories are also edited from the shop management menu. Here you can create up to 300 categories to assign to your products. You can have categories and subcategories. So if we click on categories here, we can then add categories into that subcategory. So these would be categories, accessories, which will then be able to add to your listings. To assign the shop categories, we go into listings, and then if we edit a listing, the shop categories are set near the top of the listing. There are 3 levels of eBay shop: basic, featured and anchor. There are different price points, with anchor being the most expensive. If you sign up to a basic shop, you will be able to configure your shop as discussed, and you will also get 253 listings, with each additional listing being 10 pence. If you sign up for a featured shop, you will get 1500 free listings. Each additional listing will be 5 pence after that. You also get a £10 packaging voucher and a free subscription to the eBay European Booster Program. Anchor shops are the most expensive shop level. With an anchor shop you will get unlimited free listings. You will get a £20 packaging voucher, free listings in 13 countries, and also membership of the eBay European Booster Program. Thanks for watching this video. For more content please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.